We're all a sucker for those parlor visits that leave our skin glowing, baby soft, and clogs completely clean of any kind of dirt. So we decided to bring to you these simple cleanup beauty rituals that will help you save time as well as the extra bucks. Type clean in the comments below and we'll send you a list of some effective drugstore cleanup products. Begin by using an oil-based cleanser that can cut through and dissolve all the dirt and grime that might be lingering on your epidermis. Remember to go in circular motions, as this will give your skin the added benefit of blood circulation, making it look flushed and plump. Follow this up with a face wash that is best suited to your skin type, washing it off with lukewarm water and then gently patting it dry. Steaming your face helps get rid of the debris that stays put on your pores, effectively allowing deeper cleansing. You can choose from the steam of a hot shower, get hold of a facial steamer, or make your very own facial steam. All you need is a medium to large size bowl with hot water and then drop in some rose petals and lemon. Now cover yourself with a towel to make sure you trap in all the steam and do this for a good 10 to 20 minutes. Your skin is now all set for the ultimate detox. Now that your pores are completely clean, exfoliation will help suck out the dead and dull cells stuck in them. You can choose from a wide variety of clay masks that are available for almost every skin type and then mix it with some rose water. This gentle exfoliator draws out all the impurities, leaving you with pimple-free and glowing skin. You can even scrub your way to exfoliation by adding half a cup of milk to 3 tablespoons of oats to make a smooth paste and then massage this onto your skin using light to medium pressure. A soothing face pack will make sure that exfoliation does not strip your skin of hydration, making sure it's supple and hydrated. Honey is a natural cleanser that is deeply nourishing, and when mixed with banana, it enhances your natural glow. Apply this and keep it on for about 20 minutes for radiant and glowing skin. Toning is another important step for a face cleanup, and it seals your pores, locking in all that hydration. Much like toners, ice cubes help in tightening and shrinking pores, and you can make your own beauty cubes at home using natural ingredients like aloe vera, rose water, and rose petals. If you do have sensitive skin, milk ice cubes are gentle, soothing, and yet firming. As the last step of your cleanup, use your favorite cream in upward and outward motion to make sure you give your face the moisture and nourishment it needs. Remember, healthy and glowing skin starts with a clean canvas first. Let us know in the comments below if you will be following these 6 steps at home, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.